So if you're using Visual Automations inside Kit, you may want to have more than one entry point into that visual automation. So I'm going to show you how you can do that here. So if I go to Automate, Visual Automations, New Automation, Start from Scratch, and Start Building. So now I'm going to create my first entry point into this automation. And I'm going to say it is when someone joins a form. I'm going to pick a form at random here. Let's say it's John's landing page. I'm going to add that in there. Now, the only way people can now enter this automation is if they subscribe to the list using this landing page. However, this little plus to the right hand side of that box gives me an option to add another entry point. So I'm going to click add, and this time I'm going to say it could be something different. It could be when a tag is added, let's say, and I'm going to say if someone has had the tag interested in LinkedIn added to their profile, then that could be another way into this automation. Equally, I could add if a custom field changes, I could say if the custom field biggest challenge changes at all, whatever the value is in there, I can add that in. So you get the gist that I'm now adding multiple ways in which people can enter this automation. For visual automations, you can have up to 5. I'll pick another couple at random here. You can have up to 5 entry points. I'm going to say Instagram this time. Across the top, and once you've reached that 5, you've got no other ones you can add. And if I try and add one here, it will just say you can only add up to 5 items as entry points. So that's how you can have multiple entry points across the top of one visual automation, if that's something you need in your business.